I'm going to talk to you all about revision. Because revision is where the writing really starts. Who has an idea of what revision is for writing? Yeah.
This kind of program is important for students because many students have anxieties about writing. And so hopefully by writing creatively, those juices start to flow, their reflexes become more open and automatic, and they can think and write with much more energy and creativity.
I really had a good time.
My experience at this camp, it's been pretty fun, being able to describe yourself and write out the teacher's activities and understand writing, and you get to talk with a bunch of authors, which I thought was pretty cool.
The most impactful was definitely meeting new people, and not just friends, but meeting all the authors at lunch who came and read their books.
I love being able to meet all these new people, mostly since I go to a virtual school, so being able to make new friends, as well as being able to unleash my creativity. I have always kept it hidden and never really shown anyone my work, and now I'm able to show other people, including authors and people who have actually published their books. I think this is just a wonderful camp.
At this camp, we did a lot of writing exercises that involves like college readiness, like the personal statement and the essay, that could help us get into good colleges and have like scholarships.
We're very fortunate that the folks at HISD, College Readiness, were aware of Inprint, aware of our writing workshops, and saw the applicability for their students. Working with DiscoverU is the glue that holds us all together.
So for my vision board, I basically created things that I see myself doing this year as a senior. My vision board is a reflection of my clean state of mind. My goals have gotten clearer, I know my interests, and somewhat about my academic journey. I want to do the best for my life and use my skills to my full extent. I want to write books, do well at my art, and be successful in my schoolwork and career. So lastly, I would like to say thank you. Timmy.
I opened my eyes to look around, only to find a damp, empty train. I reached for my pocket to get my phone, just to remember that I threw my phone when trying to get on the train. I pound on the doors, yelling to get out. There's a silence. All of a sudden, the train starts going at such a high speed that I fall down. I scream and try to run, but the rest of the train was pitch black. I didn't care and just kept running. Eventually, I ran into a wall and blacked out. When I woke up, I was back at the same bench as earlier. It was just a dream.
Right now!
I would just really like to come back here. I can't really explain it.